Hello everybody. Today we're going to build a new app using data tables to add content to your AppMachine app. Let's go to the dashboard and click on Create Your New App. Click on the Center template. And here you have your new app. Let's go to the top left and click on Data. Click on New Table. And we're going to use the top option here, Table, using the built-in data sources. We're going to click People. And we're going to click Finish. Here you'll see all the fields in your data. Let's say we want to add one. I'm going to click on Add Field in the top right. I'm going to add a field named Position. And we'll save that. You'll see that it shows up here at the bottom. I'm going to slide that up to just under Description, just so you can see it when I click on the Data tab here easier. And you'll see now we have a column here for position. So I would like to alphabetize this in ascending order. So I'm going to add another item now. Okay, I've filled in all my fields. Let's add a photo. And we'll click here on Upload. And we'll click a photo from my desktop. And we'll save that. Now you see the new list shows up here at the top. And you'll see this is still in alphabetical order, which is what we want. So let's go over to Content. And let's look at our new blocks here. We have People. And we have People Detail. Let's click on People. And let's say we want to sort our list. So I'm going to sort by name. And let's save that. Now you remember that I added position, so let's toggle on position here. And let's save that. And you'll see that shows up right here. We only have one position added, but let's take a look at some of our layout options here. This is our first one. This is our second one. And this is our third option. I kind of like the second one best for this demo, so let's click on number 2 and let's bold out sales associate or position in this case. And let's save that. Now let's add a few more positions to our list so we have a better look here in our screen. Save that. Now you see we have 4 positions here in our list. So let's close that. Now we can see how those positions all show up on our main list here, all bolded. So let's go look at the detail of our fields. Here we have Eileen, and again, let's turn on position. And let's slide that up right under her name. And let's save that. So there you go. There's how you can add a data table. And we'll do one other little thing here to polish this up a little bit. Let's change the icon on People. We're going to click on this. We're going to click on Replace. And we're going to click on Stock. We're going to click on General. And we're going to scroll down here for this generic icon. And I'm going to save that. Now you'll notice right down here, that's going to change. Now we've got a little bit better icon, I think. And that's pretty much it. Hope you enjoyed this video. See you next time.